Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Yajamani POS system. In this video, we will see how to add quotations. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to cell and then go to list quotations. Okay, so here you will see a list of quotations that were made at a particular business location. So in order to make a quotation, go to add quotation and click on it, and here you will get a detailed page in which you have to mention all the details. So let me start with the location. So here you have to select the appropriate location, so all in one, and here you have to select whether it is a default selling price or retail sale or wholesale. So the default selling price, and here you have to mention the customer name. So let it make it as a walk-in customer, a new customer has came. Okay, and let me say it as a pay term in 12 days. Okay, and here the invoice scheme will be default, and if you have any invoice number you can keep it or leave it blank. And now here you have to enter the product name. Let me say it as iPhone 13. Okay, and another phone as iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, memory size of 128 GB. So these two products have been added, and now here the discount type will be, let me say it as a percentage, for example a 10% discount, and there are no reward points available as the customer is a new customer, walk-in customer. Okay, and the order tax will be VAT 5%, for example. And here if you want to add any shipping details you can add it. So after all the additions and deductions of the amount, the total payable amount will be 1,74,210 rupees. Okay, so here you can simply save it, or you can simply save and print it. Okay, so let me say simply save it for now, and then go to list quotations. Here you can see with a reference number, walk-in customer, all in one, and the total items are 2. Okay, and added by Aditya. So here you can take actions also, you can view the total quotation. Okay, how much discount that has been given, and the shipping charges if there are any, or the order tax. Okay, and then here you can print a packing slip, or you can print the invoice also. Okay, and by actions you can edit this also, and if you want you can take a print also, and you can, if you want, you can convert the whole pro forma into an billing invoice. Okay, and if you want you can delete it also. And if you want to send this quotation in a URL, you can simply copy this URL and send it to the customer so that he can click on it. Let me check it. Copied, and I will paste it here. See, the quotation has been generated. Okay, so yeah, the customer can take a print of it also. Okay, and another action here is you can send an quotation notification to the customer also. Okay, like with the email or SMS or WhatsApp message. Okay, so this is how you can add a quotation to your particular business location by using this Yajamani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.